We live in a world where we are constantly seeking comfort and stability. We shy away from difficulties and obstacles, preferring to remain in our bubble of familiarity. But let me tell you, this mindset will only lead to stagnation and limitation in our personal and professional lives. Trouble or challenges can come in many forms. It could be a difficult project at work, a strained relationship, financial struggles, or even health issues. Instead of running away from these problems, we should welcome them with open arms. It is only through facing and overcoming these challenges that we truly learn about ourselves and grow as individuals. When we are faced with adversity, we are forced to tap into our inner strength and resilience. We discover parts of ourselves that we never knew existed, and we learn to push past our self-imposed limitations. Every obstacle we overcome becomes a stepping stone towards our personal and professional development. Take, for example, the story of Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before finally inventing the light bulb. But instead of giving up, he saw each failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. It was through his persistence and refusal to be discouraged by setbacks that he was able to achieve success. Imagine if he had given up after the first few tries. The world would have never seen the revolutionary impact of the light bulb. Similarly, in our own lives, we must adopt a similar attitude towards challenges. Instead of seeing them as roadblocks, we should view them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. It is in the face of trouble that we learn the most valuable lessons about ourselves and the world around us. Let trouble come. Embrace it, for only then will you truly learn. It is through adversity that we develop resilience, grit, and determination. These qualities are essential for success in any aspect of our lives. They teach us to adapt, innovate, and persevere in the face of difficulties.